How to find Duolingo promo code. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find the Duolingo promo code. So you can simply go on your preferred browser. I choose Google Chrome for me. And after choosing your preferred browser, on the top search bar, you can simply search for Duolingo promo code. After searching for Duolingo promo code, scroll down and down up until you see the very option of Joutons. Tap on the Joutons and where it is written 14 days free trial. Just tap on it and now scroll down and you will see many offers of promo code right here. Now when you tap on view the offer, and tap on go to Duolingo website, and you will now get this promo code on your Duolingo application. When you tap on go to Duolingo website and tap on yes, and it will be applied in your Duolingo application as well, and you can use it simply. I hope this video helped you, and if you like the video, then please do subscribe the channel and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.